Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Rocket Money. If you want to track your money, cancel subscription and save more, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and download Rocket Money. Once it installed, open the app and sign up using your email or Apple ID. Now Rocket Money will ask you to connect your bank account. Don't worry, this is safe and secure. Just choose your bank, log in, and your account will scan automatically. Once you logged in, you will land on the home screen. This shows your total balance, recent transaction, and where your money is going. Next, tap on spending. The spending breaks down your expenses in categories like food, shopping, bills, and entertainment. Rocket Money does not all the work for you, so you can clearly see what you are spending so much on. Now tap subscription. This is the one of the best features. Rocket Money finds all your recurring subscription like streaming app or membership you forgot about. If you see one you don't need, tap it and cancel it right there. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.